Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a Google account to your Google Pixel device. This is super useful when you need to manage multiple accounts for work and personal use, or if you want to access different Google services with separate profiles. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the gear icon on your device and tap on it to open up the settings. This is your main hub for configuring everything on your Pixel phone, from display settings to account management. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Google. This section gives you access to all Google-related services and account settings tied to your device. It's where you can manage everything from your Google Drive storage to security settings and connected accounts. Now tap on your profile account at the top of the screen. This will show you the current Google account you're using on your device and give you options to manage it or add additional accounts. You'll see your account name and email displayed prominently here. Next, tap on Add Another Account. This option allows you to link a second or even third Google account to your Pixel device, making it easy to switch between them for different apps like Gmail, Google Photos, or the Play Store. It's perfect for keeping your work and personal life separate while still having everything accessible on one device. A new screen will appear prompting you to input your email address. Go ahead and type in the email associated with the Google account you want to add, then tap Next. The system will now verify that the email exists and prepare to authenticate your login. On the following screen, you'll be asked to enter your password for that Google account. Type in your password carefully, making sure it's correct, then tap Next. This step ensures that only you can add this account to your device and keeps your information secure. After entering your password, you'll see Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Read through them if you'd like, then tap I agree to proceed. By agreeing, you're allowing Google to sync your data across this device and enabling features like automatic backups, app downloads, and cloud storage access. And that's it, you've successfully added another Google account to your Google Pixel device. You can now switch between accounts in Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google apps whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.